Okay, so right now I'm taking the BART to King's Cross because I apparently have an important meeting. The next station is King's Cross. La siguiente estación is King's Cross. Exit here for 5 Points Prison. This is your transfer point between all rail lines. Please remember that it's against the law to eat on buses and trains, drink on buses and trains, unless in a resealable plastic container, smoke, or use sound devices without earphones while riding home. Por favor, no killing passengers on the train, no killing passengers on the train. This train is bound for Bio Station. It's supposed to say College Park. This train is bound for College Park Station. Yeah, look at all them train lines. 1, 2, 3 train lines. There's another one over here too. So you have 4. 2 of them go to the yard. All the trains meet up over here for some reason. They're all nearby. You want a train? This is the best place to be. When does the announcements go through? The next station is College Park. La siguiente estación is College Park. Exit here for Federal Aviation Administration offices, Woodward Academy, Social Security Administration, Bios Cosmos Church, Bios Cosmos Church Youth Department, the Emergency Department at Bios Cosmos Church. This is also the end of the line. Aquí coña línea. This train will go out of service at College Park Station. Thank you for riding BART and have a great day. This train is out of service. This train is out of service. Please exit the train. This train is out of service. All passengers must exit the train. This train is out of service. Thank you for riding BART. Have a great day. Catch the train elsewhere. This train is out of service. Please do not board the train. This train is out of service. We will not take any passengers. Do not attempt. Please stop attempting to board the train. This train is out of service. If you board the train and it takes you to the yard, you will end up in detention. This train is out of service. Thank you. What is this meeting? Catch that in the next episode. Next episode, we'll